What is originalism and why is it key for the Constitution? Imagine trying to read a book written hundreds of years ago and understanding it exactly as the author intended. That's what originalism is all about when it comes to the Constitution. It's a way of interpreting the law that looks at what the words meant at the time they were written. This approach is rooted in the idea that the Constitution's meaning is fixed and doesn't change just because society evolves. Instead, it stays the same unless the people decide to amend it through the proper process. From a Republican point of view, originalism is important because it keeps the Constitution true to what the founders intended. It prevents judges from making decisions based on their personal opinions or current social trends. Instead, it relies on the original public meaning, which means what the average person at the time would have understood the words to mean. This helps keep the law clear and predictable, so everyone knows what to expect and what is legally binding. Originalism also emphasizes the importance of the Constitution as a limit on government power. It's about respecting the document as a legal framework created by the people's representatives. When judges interpret the Constitution based on its original meaning, they are not creating new laws but applying the law that was set out by the founders. This approach supports the core conservative principle of limited government and protects individual freedoms like speech, religion, and property rights. To figure out what the Constitution meant originally, judges look at historical sources like dictionaries from the time, debates among the founders, and legal documents. They focus on what the words meant in the context of that era, not what they might mean today. This way, the law remains stable and fair, not subject to the shifting opinions of judges or society. Practically speaking, originalism encourages constitutional change through amendments, not judicial activism. It ensures that any expansion of rights or government powers happens through the democratic process, not through courts rewriting the rules. This approach keeps the Constitution as a steady guide, respecting the founders' vision and the principles of constitutionalism that, from the foundation of American government. In the end, originalism is a key part of the core conservative belief that the Constitution should be understood as it was originally written. It safeguards the rule of law, limits government power, and preserves individual rights. By sticking to the original meaning, it helps keep the Constitution a durable and reliable document that guides the nation according to the founders' intentions.